did not come out there.
And your name is Mickey Hardeman.
Yes, sir. That's my name.
man?
Huh?
Date of birth.
My date of birth?
Yeah, your birthday?
1984.
Alright, hey, listen to me.
Listen,
Uh-huh.
if you run, you're not gonna get fired. Okay? Listen to me. Just stop and listen.
I'm saying, what happened?
Stop and listen.
Uh-huh.
If you run, you're not gonna get fired.
Okay.
If you fight, it's not gonna turn out the way you want.
Okay.
And if you release that dog, that's also not gonna turn out the way you want. Now, be honest.
Man, what's going
Stop,
on?
stop, stop, stop.
What's
Stop,
going on?
stop, bro. Stop. Stop and listen.
Put your hands behind your back for me.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back for
I'm
me.
saying, what did I do?
Yo.
Man,
look,
what did I do?
look,
Hold up, don't hurt me,
Listen,
man.
I don't want to
Man,
hurt
don't
you.
hurt me, man. Come
Stop,
on,
bro.
I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
I didn't do nothing. Man, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Okay, you
Turn
got
around. Give me your hands.
Okay,
Yo, he threw a gun back there.
what did I do? What
Put
did
your
I
hands
do?
behind your back.
Okay, okay.
Michael, I don't like being lied to.
Okay, what did I do? Restful, what did I do?
You have 2 active warrants in DeKalb, 3 active warrants here in Atlanta. Felon in possession of a firearm, active fleeing and looting, resisting arrest. Would you like me to continue?
Man, I didn't do nothing to
All right,
you,
how about we
man.
stand up and sit in the car? Come on, let's go inside. Come on, let's go inside. Come on.